If we start about Kauma, that's a very, very long story because I was Qute Kaye before I became Kauma. My mother told me my father wasn't my father. My father was another father. Twagula n'empeta ntubookinga ne tugenda Lugazi omusumba yali agenda otugatta kanzije n'atajja somehow we never got married. Tanguze ninza omusumba komewo aluddeyo nnyo baby honey I say I do. Oliza ddala omuki tukaye lwaki wabba akataala.
Adedda. Okay, thank you so much for those who actually were really watching the Hard Junction. I'm Douglas Kaye Segawa. Today's episode belongs to a man called Ivan Kauma. Most people actually know him on these two particular songs. Nze njimaze emikwano jinkese ye gwe ndowooza bwe neebaka gwe ndoota Wentambula. Those two particular songs were mega hits in Kampala, and many people were really dancing on those particular jams. He's actually known as Qute Kaye. Today's particular episode belongs to him, and we are going to navigate his story from becoming Qute Kaye, surviving addiction, and we are going to peel back who he is and what really happened and what is he actually doing at this particular moment, because he also has this particular book, Surviving Addiction. He's going to tell us more about this particular book, and we're going to dive more deeper into this. Olugero lwa leero lwa Qute Kaye. Abangi mumumanyi n'abatamumanyi mugenda kumumanya, agenda kutunnyonnyola akawongo n'akagga. This is the Hard Junction, and I'm Douglas Kaye Segawa. Tusayise okulaba Qute Kaye.
Nange nesimye okubeera wano. Thank you very much.
You look good, you look fine.
Thank you very much. God is very good. He is kind to me. He is kind to all of us.
Okay.
Yes, I was speaking with somebody yesterday. Some lovely lady. We were working with her on something, and we discussed something, and it led us to me reminding her what I preached, because I preached that last Sunday.
Okay.
I preached it where I was. I spoke about it where I was, that how big is your God?
Oh.
Yes, the size of your God is going to be the extent to which you get from him. Your miracles are as big as your God is to you. It's that simple. One time I told a story when the disciples were with Jesus, when they were preaching, and then they went away in a boat, and the storm rose, a very high storm, and Jesus was sleeping, and they were so scared they called him. They said, Jesus, wake up, you're going to let us die. The storm it's shaking everything, it's going to kill us. You're sleeping. And he woke up and he told the storm to just calm down, go away. And so it did. And then he turned to them and he said, what's your problem? You of little faith. You're with Jesus in the boat, but you're afraid of a storm? With Jesus in a boat, afraid of a storm? What's your problem?
Wow.
What's your problem? Jesus is the owner of the storm, of the river, of the lake, of the fish in the sea, of the sky. You're afraid of a storm with him here? Wow. What's your problem?
Okay, I'm going to call you Ivan Kauma. You are going to allow me. And I'm going to call you Qute when you began your music career. Let us actually first peel back. Who is really Qute Kaye before? Oh, sorry, who is really Ivan Kauma before becoming Qute Kaye? Because we need to know that story before actually we come to know in the limelight.
Actually, if we start about Kauma, that's a very, very long story because I was Qute Kaye before I became Kauma.
Like seriously?
Yes.
There's a contrast then.
Yes.
Can you explain that?
I was Qute Kaye. I was born Kaye, Ivan Qute. Those are my names.
Those are your original names?
Yes.
I thought those are just, stage names.
No, everybody used to think so, but no, they're my names.
Okay.
And then about 30 32 when I was about 30, I think. Yeah, about 30. My mother told me my father wasn't my father. My father was another father.
Oh.
So there I'm introduced into a new clan.
A new
So
clan.
things,
And then you had to change the names.
So Kauma came so much later.
Okay.
The father was Qute Kaye. Yes.
Okay, then how was your education? How did you actually study?
I went to Lugazi Community Primary School for my nursery and early primary. Then later my parents moved to Mukono, so I went to St. Chizito. That's where I finished my P6. P7 I went to Kazo West. I was very stubborn. I went to Kazo West for my P7. That's why I started my P7. And after that, I joined Mukono St. John's for my S1.
Okay.
Yes. My S4, I joined City and Guilds of London.
Yeah, I hear it.
Yes, they had I don't know, I don't see the campus there, but they had a campus down there. That's where I studied.
True.
Taufik buses.
True, yeah.
You know
I
it.
know.
Yeah, that's where I studied. So
Wow.
I got a diploma in electrical engineering.
So you hold a diploma in electrical engineering?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Which I never practiced.
You just found yourself not practicing it, then
Because
you
I didn't want to do it. My mother, I used to love singing very much, and she told me, you can sing, but you must stay in school. That's the condition. Stay in school, you can sing.
Okay.
So they always chose what they wanted me to study. I didn't mind studying because I was a bright child, but I loved to sing.
Wow.
Since my early childhood.
Okay, now kid, how do you find yourself into the music industry? Especially the mainstream and the secular
I just
music.
transitioned into that. I started with karaoke at Garden City, Sabrina's Pub, Alligators, Sax Hotel, Deep in Tinder. There was places, a lot of places that had karaoke. So we would always go there for those karaoke's, you know. I remember with Didi, DJ Ricky, who else? Well, many other guys. Grace Nachimera,
okay.
Nachimera,
yeah.
Yes, so in karaoke, I remember, and a few other guys. So we used to go for karaoke's everywhere, and in that process, I won Mr. Sabrina's. That was 2006. I won, and I was Mr. Sabrina's.
Wow.
I competed. We sang, and I was the best singer.
Definitely, because the voice that you really hold.
Yes, so I won, and I was Mr. Sabrina's. After that, I joined the Hip Hop Canvas. Hip Hop Canvas. It was organized by
Which year was that
Shadrach. 2006.
Okay.
6, yes. I joined the Hip Hop Canvas, and we released an album with GTZ. The album was called Mother Africa. So off that song, Mother Africa, and we won about two awards.
Wow.
The Palm Award and the
Palm
Cora
Award
Award.
by then, yeah.
Yes. Oh, Mother Africa and my brother.
Oh, wait a minute. So you are the guys who actually sang that?
That was me singing.
Oh, okay.
I sang that chorus. Oh, Mother Africa and my brother. Tell our sister to come on together. Stop heading because you're getting farther.
Because Pama was Chakira. What Pama was Chakira? Okay.
So after Mother Africa, I went ahead to release Better Tomorrow.
Yeah, I recall that as well.
Let's fight for a better tomorrow. You know, so after Better Tomorrow, with City and Guilds, I went to Netherlands to finish the diploma, and then I started working as well. So by the time I came back in 2007, I had saved some money. I went straight to studio. There is a story behind the song too and how I wrote it. But after I went to studio, recorded Jinkes as the first single of the album, and took it to studio.
So let me just actually, pick you there. The song Jinkese is still actually in the minds of the majority of people.
People are crazy about
that song. What was the story behind that song Jinkese?
I had friends. They lived in Nakau. They were studying at Mobs. So they rented a big home, and as a hostel for them. And then they just shared the bathroom, toilet, dining, sitting room. Everybody had their bedroom. It was about 5 bedrooms. So these guys were my friends, and we would always go there to chill most evenings if we are not busy. Go there and tukube chibozi. So they had girlfriends. One day, Omu girlfriend we yajjanga mwe tutulaba movie naye ng'omu taliiwo, boyfriend nga taliiwo. Bw'ataamusanga n'atubuuza Ways bwe yayingira mu ddiiro, ffenna tumutone tugamba taliiwo. She said, omu n'asituka, one of us n'asituka n'amuwerekera mpaka ku gate. Bwe baatuka ku gate ne bayimirirawo, tebaafuluma, tebayingira, ne bayimirirawo, ne banyumya, ne boogera nga bali awo bali mu kafubo boogera for like 40 minutes. After 40 minutes ne bakyuka ne bakomawo, ne batuyitako mu ddiiro ne bayingira mu kisenge ky'omu. Ne baggalawo. Kakati ffe abaali batudde ffenna ne tusooka ne twetunuulira, buli omu n'atunula ku tugamba Myaya akoze atya.
Atuteka shuwa.
Ne bamukwatako agenda kudda wano singa akomawo kati. N'abasanga tagenda kutematema naffe atutemeremu. So ne tunyumya emboozi eyo, naye bannange, bo wandikoze ki, what would you do if it were you? What would you do if it were you? So everybody had an opinion. Nze sha osaaga. Nze nkuwulira ekyo ndeka kireke because you know abawala bangi ku campus. Nze buli omu yalina opinion. Bwe twamala okunyumya emboozi ne mbawuliriza bonna, nenfuna idea ne ngamba wow. So nenyambuka waka nenkwata gita ne mpandika Jinkese.
Wow. So that oluyimba kiba kitegeeza walaba experience y'abalala it united you then noloko composing oluyimba. Oluyimba olwo abantu abasinga rumor has it right okwatako gwe olina mukwano go nti.
But you remember when I released Jinkese nali nkyali mwana muto nga byalaavu
mutonna babiregera bulungi.
That's not a and I was very driven because I released Jinkese when I was 20 years old.
20 years.
I was 20.
Let me actually ask you this particular question still on the song Jinkese. Jinkese, when oluyimba olwo bwe lwafuluma, hit yali y'amaanyi, how did you actually hold the fame? Because oluyimba lwakuba naye nga n'omwana alukubye lulimuleme nalwo okulera. Because I read this in ngamba, this guy is too young but the song is really very heavy for him to hold. How did you actually hold the fame? Wawulira otyo oluyimba lw'olulya luzannya ku ma TV ag'enjawulo, luzannya ku ma radio ag'enjawulo?
Well, of course it was a very great feeling because it was my dream, you know. I was dreaming about this for years before. If you talk to, I told you guys when my mother comes around, I would love for her to for you guys to give her some interviews, so she takes you a little bit back about weko Qute
Kaye olipeko tutamanyi.
Nze ebisenge byonna mu nnyumba nali nabiteekako ebipande. Michael Jackson, Boys to Men, Mariah Carey, Luther Vandross, People Brayson, NSYNC, As Yet, Backstreet Boys, Backstreet Boys, Blue. Abayimbi gwe kasita wayimbanga bulungi nakuteekayo Michael Jordan, Michael Bolton, Bryan Adams. You know, nga najjuza ebisenge biso nga mbeera ndoota obulamu obwo nga ndi muto nkula Lucky Dube, Culture nga ndoota. So actually in the book I wrote nengamba nti I stumbled upon a great truth of becoming, which is called emulation. Nti abaana singa bakizuula nga bukyali never choosing a role models to emulate, because when you emulate something you definitely will become it.
Yeah.
You will. There is nothing can resist that power of emulation. Lwakuba I think abandi naku zababera
oluyimba lwa Jinkese ku myaka 2 kuba lufulumira lwaba lwafulumira, how did you hold the fame? Because it was a hit even up to that.
Yes, well, certainly it had challenges, its own challenges, many challenges, because you see, visibility, it attracts a lot of other things. Actually, that's where my addiction also comes in.
Okay.
Much as it manifested so many years later, but its birth was still there. Was in the people that I met, that the music, that the fame brought to me.
So Qute, you're trying to tell the audience that fame ignited your addiction.
No. It didn't ignite it. It actually it initiated it.
Okay.
Yes. It started it. Because you see, once I was famous, there is no other me. Before the
old one was dead, the new one had actually been born again.
That's it. There was no another Qute. Now the only Qute that we knew was the famous one now. The old Qute who was a nobody was no more anymore. So anything that happened, it was happening to Qute anyway. That Qute, the addiction, the highs and the lows, the success, the money, the cars, the women, everything, traveling. It was happening to that Qute now.
Okay, now okubya oluyimba lwa Jinkese, it has become a mega hit. Ofulumiza n'ennyimba endala now. Did you get married?
Did I get married? Not immediately.
What really happened
I
about
did
your relationship?
so much later. Huh?
What really happened? Because we want to really know whether maybe when you got the fame, maybe you got married and you even had you got children as well.
I got children, of course, but no, I didn't get married.
In one woman?
Yes.
Okay, how many?
I'm sorry, Muganda tebambalira.
Lero so tugamba ndirayo obuwala n'obulenzi.
Kuchoma mayamba lina.
Okay, then.
I did get children, but I never got married at that time. I remember one time I wanted to get married so bad to somebody. We wanted to get married. We were so in love.
Wow.
And we've been together with her for over 3 years. So I remember one time twagula n'empeta ntubookinga ne tugenda e Lugazi, omusumba yali agenda otugatta. Musumba n'abanga ate agenze ewa kanzije n'atajja, somehow we never got married. I even wrote a song about that.
What was that song though?
Nampeta nguze ninza omusumba komeo aluddeyo nnyo baby honey. I say I do. Ono muwala engeri gyanjagala alina bwantiisinga.
Hey, that one.
Muwasa.
Okay.
Ono mama temola. Abansesasasa nga nnyonyogera flower. Oh my flower. Nga ngobagoba nga nkuba n'owuuna. Nga nze nnyimba ulala. Saba tugende gye bakuza flower tongana.
Okay. Well,
yes, I did write a song too.
Wow.
But we didn't get married.
Nende ozabagwanga munaavu naye banyumirwanga. Kuba buli scenario ebaawo. Just okwata bukwasi peno otandika okuwandiika oluyimba. Si bwe kuli.
Well, sometimes, but other times I would just challenge my mind. I would like to write about this. I would like to write about this. Sometimes I would be sleeping and then something just drops into the other just to an instrument to one.
Okay, me the best song that you really sang for me and up to date is my ringtone.
Yes.
Yeah, Gwendowooza. I Gwendota. That song really. Omanyi nafuna heartbreak mu high school. Up to date. That song really touched me so much. Keep it up to date. I really don't know why. Wasinzira kucho kuwandika oluyimba olwo, if I may ask.
There was somebody I loved very much,
okay,
and we drifted apart.
Wow.
We actually didn't break up per se. We just drifted apart. Of course, she was wrong too at some point, and I was wrong too at some point, and we had pride again, and somehow we let something beautiful go. Yeah, so that's how I wrote Granddaughter.
Granddaughter. Can you sing to the audience that particular song?
Nze nkulaba kyolowooza bw'obibala tebikwatagana naye mukwano enseno nga si bw'etyo. Abo bangi bye bakulimba ebisuubizo bye bakugamba naye maama gwe tokiraba nti nze akwagala. Era ye gwe gwe ndowooza bwe neebaka gwe gwe ndoota emisana bwe ntambula mu katale nze nkwekanga we nasobya neetonze kwata essimu leka twogere zaatutonderwa mukwano ekyo kikobe kati nagula natereera sikyabiddira nagomera koma weeno kulage nti nze akwagala era.
That song. Everyone actually is really watching us on the Hard Junction. I'm with Qute Kaye.